Hello everybody, here we go again with another unboxing from our friend Carlton at the Rumour Monger. Interesting little watch. It's an Oris Diver 65, the steel and bronze version. So stick around and have fun with the video.
Hello and welcome, or should that be welcome, to another Scottish Watches unboxing video. Now if Rick or Ricky hasn't put the watch in the title, then this will be a surprise. If not, you know what it is already. So I picked this up and it came through to me yesterday from my favourite watch pimp of choice, Lee at Chisholm Hunter at Wigan. Big shout out to him, always sorts me out. So without further ado, here we go. So nicely packed inside. Put that to the side. There are a couple of clues in the background if you want to guess what it is. Could be one of three. So, undo this. And we open the box. We have, how does this come out? Oh, it's that way. We have an Oris, but which one? Got the instruction manual, the warranty card, all tucked away neatly in the bottom of the box. And then we come to the actual watch itself. And here it is. It's an Oris Diver 65 bicolor. So these originally came out in 2019 at Baselworld, I believe, but it's taken me a while to get one. I had a choice between this one, the Stover bronze with a leather bracelet, or the Zelos with a full bronze, and I ended up getting this one. It's all Lee's fault. So if we take the stickers off the back, I'll do this slowly for the people who enjoy this sort of thing. Without making too much of a hash of it. And there we go. It's 12.5mm thick in a 40mm case with a 47 lug to lug, I believe. It's got a beautiful dark blue stroke black dial on it. Doesn't really show up on the camera. With rose gold plated hands. And of course the bronze bezel insert. If you notice, it's stainless around the outside there. But it's bronze on the inside. And the bronze mid links. Now these are solid mid links by the look of it, because they go all the way through. Not sure how green that's going to turn my wrist, but we shall wait and see. And then the case back with a sticker on, which I always leave on for some reason, no idea why. So this should be sized up for my wrist already. So we'll pop it on and see how it looks on wrist. There you go. 40mm is right in the sweet spot for my wrist, and I don't like my watches too high, so that sits really nicely. So this looks like the shop model that I've got, because it's got some patina on it already and some fingerprints, but they'll be coming off soon when I get the lemon juice on it, just to get it back to pristine condition when it's new. So compared to my other Diver 65, I think you might recognise one of the NATO straps on it. The dial looks smaller, even though they're exactly the same size. No idea why this is. The other one distorts the numbers a bit more because they're bigger numbers. But I think they're both as nice as each other. So thanks for watching my second unboxing video. I hope to be making another one soon. Bye now.